On the side of the Pfaff Ambition 610 sewing machine is a dial that is adjusting the foot pressure. It adjusts how firm the foot sits on the fabric. And you really notice it when you sew with knit fabrics. So yes, the IDT is going to help pull things in, but sometimes when your foot is sitting right down close to the fabric and it's squishing it, it gets stretched out as it's fed. So if you go to a smaller pressure number, so to 1, your foot will be like it's gliding across the fabric, not so pushed down. And that can help things come out a little smoother or flatter like this did at the end of my seam. This side I didn't have it engaged, and this side I did. You'll also find that if you do work with some heavier fabric, very dense, thick canvas upholstery fabric, you might actually need to increase the pressure just a little bit. Now, tell you the truth, I rarely have to work with this. I will tell you this is probably the last thing I will change. You know, I've changed everything else and I'm still maybe not getting the perfect results. Most of the time everything else will fix itself, be smooth, the IDT pulls it through perfectly. This is almost like a last resort. So I would say almost like 1 out of 100 times I actually adjust the pressure when I sew. But it is nice to have that feature built into this machine just in case you need it.